Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling Lims Up Siu with this month's theme, which is 我不舒服, I'm not feeling too well.
爱莫松松，
爱莫松松 Again, 莫松松 松松 is 舒服 but 莫松松 is I'm not feeling too well. 那今天呢，我们来教跟药有关了。Let's teach you phrases and vocabulary associated with medication. OK， 其实常常咳嗽哦，我们很怕咳嗽，尤其主持节目，
对，
所以一定要好好的吃这个咳嗽糖浆，对不对？ You have to have your cough syrup if you have a cough. So how do you say syrup? 糖浆？
通浆。
通浆。
海陆腔，通浆。
通浆。That's a different dialect of saying the syrup. Okay. Then you have your pills. 药丸。对不对 ？Medication 很多时候都是药丸。
肉眼，
好养眼哦。肉眼，
肉眼，
肉眼哦，好像眼睛的眼，那不是眼就是丸的意思。So it's medication that's in a pill form. 肉眼，
对
，that's pills. 然后呢，这些药呢，通常都是要去药局去买嘛，对不对？
对。
How do you say the pharmacy?
药房。
药房，听起来药粉哦，但是药房房是。
就像我们房应该是房的，
像房一样。
对，药房啊，药局啊。
Okay, 药房 药 of course is medication, and then 房 is actually a house. So a house of medication is a pharmacy. 就是药局，我们就用药局来造句好了。
Okay.
我要到药局拿药。Okay, I need to go to the pharmacy to get my medication.
我愛去。
我愛去 I have to go. Okay, 我要去，对不对？
藥房。
藥房 again, pharmacy.
拿藥嘅。
拿藥嘅。拿藥嘅拿 means to get my 藥嘅 is your medication.
我愛去藥房拿藥嘅。
我愛去藥房拿藥嘅。
Yeah.
All right. That means, again, I need to go to the pharmacy to get my pills, my medication. All right, let's review all these phrases right here. The cough syrup, or syrup in general, 也就是糖浆。
通漿。
通漿 And then you have your pills, 药丸。
藥眼。
藥眼 And finally, the pharmacy, 就是药局。
药房。
See, I remember this very clearly now, and I hope you do too. Some practical Hakka for you because this month it's all about 我不舒服, I'm not feeling too well.
愛莫松松.
And I really hope that's not the case with you, but hopefully you learned a little bit more today on practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.